You could dive into the ocean, or you could get a good dose of Balinese culture in Ubud City. But very few people know that Bali has mountains. Today we're going to get lost in Sekumpul Mountains and closely explore its waterfalls. But first, I have to say my proper goodbyes to Ubud City. I spent the last night in Ubud immersed in a swimming pool while holding an Indonesian beer and cheering the almost perfect moon. The sky blessed the moment with soft rain. How perfect. It was time to head to the mountains. Sila and I were very ready for the adventure. But first we had to make a quick stop at the Floating Temple. The official name is Ulun Danu. At the elevation of over 1,000 meters above sea level, this temple is 234 years older than Canada as a country. And just like all temples in Bali, it has a beautiful split gateway at the entrance. It also has all-you-can-eat restaurant, so here you could recharge spiritually, culturally, and food-wise. It's definitely a must-see place. It's a complete different experience to drive a scooter up the mountains in Bali. I felt every change in temperature, every smell, every bump on the road, and I saw every detail of this spectacular view. Sila roared and brawled, coughed and wheezed, as if it had a severe COPD, but it never let me down. Hats off to Sila. Welcome to Sekumpul. It's a small piece of heaven where the grass is green and the mountains are pretty. I was lucky to find a room in a small cozy hotel with a view called Rustic. The staff were very welcoming. It felt like home away from home. Special thank you to my super host Hendra, who answered some of my questions about the Balinese culture, helped me find a good, knowledgeable guide to explore the waterfalls. He also introduced me to Jaja Bali, which is an amazing locally made Indonesian dessert. I had to wake up early the next morning to enjoy the sun rising from the heart of the beautiful mountains. It was an amazing view, and even though I could barely open my eyes, I still really enjoyed it. A mirage, a King Kong movie scene. Eyes and mouth were wide open. The view, the smell, the sound will take you to a whole different world. My guide took a minute to pray to the spirits for blessing and protection. getting deeper and deeper. It's so cold. So good. Sadly, my trip was approaching its end. First holy place is Batur Temple. With just few steps into the temple, you will travel in a time machine to an age and place of spirituality free of modern distractions. It's just like magic. Oh my god, look at that view. Is that a volcano?
This is volcano.
Yeah.
This is Mount Batur.
For the
But
guidance.
later evening we go to the mountain.
Yeah.
We go get lava there.
You can get lava from the mountain? What do you do for the lava?
Because the lava people use here for the building.
They use lava for building? Okay.
Make for the house, make foundation, make everything, yeah, from the lava.
Local artists also use volcanic ash for painting.
That story, yeah.
So that's
I
symbol of
This
water.
is in the middle is fire,
Okay.
and this one is water,
Yeah.
and this one is wind.
Okay.
Three elements of the god, yeah,
Okay.
the man, yeah.
Okay.
Brahma, Vishnu, and Shiva.
Okay.
Fire, water, and the wind.
When purchasing an item, negotiating the price is acceptable in the Balinese culture. Would you sell this one for 100?
Oh, no.
See.
Two, yeah. You get two, I'll give you 350, okay.
Too much for me. I only can take one for 100. One for 100.
I'm sorry, Mr. Mister.
No worries.
Very nice, but 100 is when I check with dollar, with only $7. I said yesterday 300 for one. Okay, you get two. Okay, how much? Okay, up to you. Yeah.
No, two is too much. I will get one.
Yeah.
As I told you, one for 100. If yes, if no, then thank you for showing me. They're beautiful.
Yeah, last price 150. Okay, good for you. Good luck. $3 more because lava, yeah. One day I drown. Very small, yeah. This only $10.
I ended up buying the beautiful painting for 125. Not too shabby. Because of a thunderstorm the next day, hiking the volcano was too risky. I was running out of time, so I decided to visit the last temple, which was Bisaki Mother Temple. Just be aware that sometimes at the entrance of the temple, someone might try to sell you a special kind of clothing. You could just rent it. If you really have to put it on, just rent it. That will save you some money. And that's it. That was the end of my trip to Indonesia. Such a beautiful country. Really enjoyed it. And as long as you are open and willing to learn the Indonesian lifestyle and culture, you will blend in and have a great time and make friends. I hope that you enjoyed this video and thank you for watching.